Solar eclipse 2020. Can Suryagrahan kill coronavirus? Find out what science say. Suryagrahan or solar eclipse, the first cosmic event of 2020, will take place June 21. This will be an annular eclipse, often called the Rings of Fire. The solar eclipse 2020 will be the second annular eclipse post-December 2019. India will witness the annular solar eclipse. This particular eclipse is said to be the deepest annular solar eclipse in nearly 100 years. What is solar eclipse? A solar eclipse is witnessed when the moon passes between the earth and the sun. During the Suryagrahan phenomenon, the image of the sun is totally or partly obscured. In case of an annual solar eclipse, the moon's apparent diameter is smaller than that of the sun. The phenomenon also blocks most of the sunlight, causing the sun to look like an annulus. An annulus eclipse appears as a partial eclipse over a region of the earth thousands of kilometers wide. Will the solar eclipse kill coronavirus? This question has become a popular query on Google search results. Consistently speaking, as the date of viewing the Suryagrahan is getting closer. To this, a Chennai-based scientist has said that there are connections between the coronavirus outbreak and the solar eclipse, which took place December 26. Dr. K.L. Sundar Krishna, a nuclear and earth scientist, told news agency ANI that the pandemic may have been a result of mutated particular interactions of the first neutron emitted after the solar eclipse owing to fission energy. He said that there is a planetary configurations with a new alignment in the solar system, which occurred after the solar eclipse, and that is even the coronavirus outbreak happened. Krishna has even deduced a possible theory of how the virus originated. He told ANI that the virus has come from to the upper atmosphere where interplanetary force variations took place. The said neutrons then began nucleating, which further resulted in bionuclear interactions in the upper atmosphere. These bionuclear interactions, according to him, may be a source of the virus. Solar eclipse 2020 time. The solar eclipse 2020 will begin at 9:15 am IST and will continue till 3:04 pm on June 21. The best of the solar eclipse will be visible at 12:10 pm. According to NASA, the moon will block 99.4% of the sun at its peak and will be visible everywhere from northern India. This year we will witness 3 more eclipses. The first 2 are lunar eclipse in July and November, and third one will be a solar eclipse in December. Thank you for watching this news. If you want more breaking latest news, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you once again.